3 things every new insurance agent should look for in an insurance opportunity. 1, leads. The leads, that's gonna be your chance to educate yourself on the process. That's gonna give you a chance to get in front of people, to talk to people. So you wanna make sure whatever opportunity you're looking at has some type of lead program. You need a program or a system that's gonna allow you to be to talk to as many people as possible. The more people you talk to in the shortest amount of time as possible, the better you're gonna get proficient in what you're doing. So again, any system you're looking at, you gotta make sure there's a good lead program. The next one is mentorship. This one's really, really important because what I see a lot of people do is they join their best friend or they join somebody they know or a family member because they have an insurance license and they work for another company, but they might not be fully committed. They might be part-time. They might not have even got started yet. And you have to look at this person like this is your business partner, right? Family doesn't always make the best business partners. Friends don't always make the best business partners. You want to find somebody that's very proficient in what they're doing. That way they can teach you and show you how to be proficient as well. So the mentor is going to be more important than the company, in my opinion, right? You could work for any company you want. If the person's part-time or they're not fully committed, it could be the best company in the world. You're not gonna have the mentorship that you need to learn your new trade, right? So you need to find a good mentor, somebody that's strong, somebody that has the time to show you how to do what they've done, somebody that you would wanna switch places with. Another thing that I think is extremely important, and a lot of new agents get confused with this, is simplicity. A lot of new agents, they get their insurance license or they may get multiple licenses to sell multiple products, and then they decide to work with this company that has multiple carriers and a ton of different products. So what just happened? You're brand new, you know nothing about this industry, and instead of trying to get really good and learn one thing, you're trying to learn a dozen things all at one time. Do you have a better chance of learning something new when you learn 12 things at once, or when you could focus on one thing? So even if the opportunity does have a chance for you to sell other products or work with other carriers, you want to keep it as simple as you can to start. I sell one product with one carrier because of the simplicity, because of the duplication, because how easy it is for me to teach another agent how to succeed with our system. So again, those are 3 things that you want to look for in an opportunity. And you got to remember, if you ask people what company should I work for in the insurance industry, everyone's going to try to recruit you. They're all going to tell you whatever they need to tell you to try to get you to work with them. So make sure you look at those 3 things. Am I going to have people to talk to? Am I going to have somebody that I can get on the phone multiple times a day to show me the ropes, to teach me how to be successful at what I'm doing? And is this system simple enough and easy enough that I don't have a long learning curve to where I want to quit before I even figure the things out? So my name is David Price. Please subscribe to my channel. Put some comments in there. Let me know what you think about what we were just talking about. Also, let me know what you want to hear about. So I've been in the industry having a ton of success. I've been mentoring agents and showing them how to be successful in this industry. And I want to get as much knowledge out to you as I can. So again, subscribe to my channel, put some stuff in the comments. Let me know how I can help you.